Hey, good evening, guys. This is Jeff from Zen Trader. Hope everybody had a good trading day today. I can tell you that I'm not personally doing a whole lot of trading this week so far, except adding to my short positions a little bit at a time. I'm, using these intraday rallies as an opportunity to add to my QQQ. But other than that, this is a real sideways market. It feels like it's coiling. It feels like the pressure is building. I indicated that I think we're going to have a large move. In my next chart, I'll show you an example of what happened the last time we got in the same kind of scenario with the ADX. But first here, the 60-minute chart of the NASDAQ, you can see here with this red arrow, it's when I got a sell signal per my timing system. The market's done a whole lot of nothing. We've been channeling between 20 and 60, indicating a bearish trend, but the market's not going down. I would actually give an edge to the bulls. Volume expanded today on the NASDAQ, but it's still well below its 60-day EMA. That's not really telling us a whole lot. The VIX volatility is coming. It's, as I said, it's tightening. You can see the VIX is at 31.22 here. The EMA, the 10 EMAs at 31.19. They're essentially flatlining, so there's no extreme overbought or oversold. If there's no extreme volatility to kind of give us an indication to take a contrarian trade. This is a, let's see, this is like a 2.5-year chart of the NASDAQ. The Dow. I wanted to kind of go back to last time the ADX was down around 10. And I had to go back all the way to the beginning of 2010. And what that means, again, when the ADX is that low, is that a big move is coming. It doesn't tell you which way it's gonna happen. You really need to follow these positive and negative DIs as they're kind of really tightening together. You kind of got to follow them and watch and wait for the trend and then jump on it. And I mean, I have a little bit of an edge that tells me it's going to be down, but that doesn't, you can't tell from the ADX alone which way it's going to go. You need to look at other things. But the last time we were down here, you can see here there are some similarities. If you look at the RSI, it was kind of making a few lower highs, and it was right around the 60 level. We're right around the 60 level right now. It had failed to get up into that over 70 range a couple times. We failed a couple times here, indicating weakness, I guess, is indicating weakness in the market, the inability to go over 70. So, obviously the last time we had a big move, it was down, and then when the ADX turned flat back over, there was a large counter trend. So, counter trend to the ADX, that is, turned out to be the primary trend at the time. So my point in showing you this is just to kind of show you kind of what can happen or what to look for when we do have that explosive move. We do have a wedge here. It's on the Dow. There are some very clearly well-defined points of support and resistance to watch. So sentiment's not telling us much, or rather volatility is not telling us much. My timing system's down. So I'm going to go to the futures markets here. I am tracking. I'm doing a little bit of future testing, not back testing, but I'm kind of testing some strategies in the moment going forward for the next couple months. And I do have a buy signal in the Dow as of this. A buy signal on the US dollar DX from Sunday night. It triggered at 77. It took half off the table today. And the reason why this is important is because when the dollar has been going up, the market has been going down. If the dollar if it doesn't continue to go up, if it rolls over, then that could support an up move in the markets. Another really strong market to pay attention to is the oil markets, which have been very strong. And these have the oil and the Dow have generally been moving together, but they could decouple. If oil goes up too much, then that's going to put a strain on the consumer, and then an inverse relationship will develop. So I will be watching that. And the only other signal that we have here is a short on the euro right now. So other than that, guys, there's not a lot going on that can really give a clear trend.